1962D penny value. The 1962D Lincoln penny was made at the Denver Mint and carries a little D mint mark under the date on the obverse of the coin. The Denver Mint struck a total of 1,793,148,140 pieces. Like its Philly counterpart, the 1962 Lincoln Memorial Cent contains a 95% copper content and is therefore worth more than face value, about 2 to 3 cents. So, it makes sense to hold aside all 1962 Lincoln cents that you happen to find in circulation. While you can't melt these coins for their metal content, many coin collectors, coin hoarders, and coin dealers trade pre-1982 copper Lincoln cents for more than face value. Uncirculated 1962 Lincoln pennies are worth around 10 to 20 cents apiece. Meanwhile, the most valuable 1962 penny was graded by professional coin grading service as MS67RD and fetched $12,000 in a 2013 auction.